What's up, squad? So glad to see you guys back on my channel. If you're new, welcome to the family. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the family and the AP squad. You guys know you want to be a part of it. Today, I'm going to give you 13 tips to get beautiful, healthy, curly, long hair. Even if you don't have curly hair, it's just a good way to keep your hair healthy and strong and thriving for yourself, you know? If you guys want to join me or follow me on my journey, you can always add me on your Instagram. My handles are linked below. You can follow me on all my platforms. I would love to get to know you and to know about your hair and your type. I have 3B, 3C hair. It is definitely mixed. I have like patches of 3C and then most of it is 3B, as you guys can see. The 13 hair tips for today are with number 1 being to do a big chop or cut off your split ends so that your hair can be healthy and strong and start fresh. From the very beginning, if this is a natural hair journey, you're gonna want to do a big chop, cut off all the deadness at the ends of your hair, all the little split ends. It helps so much. Number 2 is to drink water. Drink a ton of water. 8 glasses of water is usually what's recommended. That is very good, but if you can drink a little bit more, it's always good too. Water helps with every single thing in your body, and your hair absolutely loves it. Number 3 is to deep condition your hair, guys. Deep condition every single week. Sometimes I even do it twice. Your hair can get dry and brittle and just ugh. So deep condition. It is key to keeping your hair healthy. Number 4 is to take hair vitamins. I personally take biotin and keratin vitamins for my hair specifically. I also take my multivitamins. Number 5, to wear protective styles. So you could do a bun, a pineapple, braids, anything that keeps your hair from being within the elements definitely helps. Number 6, use a sulfate-free, paraben-free, or silicone-free shampoo. This helps so much with your hair. It gets all the dirt and grime out, but helps keep your essential oils that you have produced yourself in your hair to keep that scalp moisturized and thriving. Number 7 is to moisturize, 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 guys. You must moisturize your hair. This is key. You can't let your hair get dry and brittle because it'll definitely break off, and that is one of the main reasons for split ends, and nobody likes those, and plus they look horrible. Number 8 is do a scalp massage. This feels so good. You guys have no idea. I do this every time I do my rice water, which is every single night. So I massage it into my scalp and really massage to the point where you feel your scalp and your head tingle. It is amazing, guys. This really makes the blood circulation to your hair follicles and to your scalps to help produce faster growing hair. It really does work, guys. Number 9, make sure that you eat healthy. Healthy eating is essential. It helps keep you clean from the inside out, and obviously your hair is on the outside. Number 10 is use an oil for your hair. Hair loves oil, obviously. It produces it, but sometimes not enough. So for me, I love argan oil and Jamaican black castor oil. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil. It depends on the porosity of your hair, the coarseness, the thickness. So figure out what oil works best for you, because they really do help too, guys. Number 11, when you go to sleep, either sleep on a satin pillowcase or wear a bonnet that has satin on the inside. It really does help protect your curls and your hair overall. Number 12, make sure you do not use heat on your hair. I personally don't use heat at all because it just burns it, fries it. The last but not least whatsoever tip, number 13, is be patient. Guys, you have to be patient. Guys, now that my hair is dry, we are all done. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed these tips and take them to heart, take them to consideration, try them out, make sure you do them. I love you guys. That's all I have for you today. Stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands. Stay at home, guys. I'll see you guys later. Love you.